Good morning, everybody. Headache at a 0, which is good. Really good. It's awesome. That's what it is. Right, I've got like a wedge on my hair. What is that about? And my skin, I've still got these red bits here, but it's getting better and better. Someone asked me what it was that I used, so put it somewhere. So it's this tea tree water, toner water from Lush. Yeah, Janine got it for me. Awesome stuff. I think Janine's in the kitchen singing and dancing. Let's go have a look. We thought you were dancing. My whole life, cream's not really gone into my face. You can't really see it on here. I've just put some sunscreen on and my face is white. My eyebrows are white. Janine finds it funny.
Summertime is here, ladies and gents.
Janine's vlogging me vlogging. It's a gorgeous day, isn't it? Oh, these railings are new. Things I get excited about. New railings.
I think some look different.
Yeah, it's all good done, isn't it?
Open. Was it not a railing before? Was it a
Yeah,
wall?
no, it's like those ones.
It's nicer.
Yeah, they're just newer.
You can see more.
They're the same. What's different is on these ones it's flat, but on the old ones you've got spikes on top. Can you see them?
The random things.
Can't. I tried zooming in then, that's what my finger was doing, but I couldn't zoom in. It's a gorgeous day.
Oh my god,
Absolutely gorgeous day.
You have to find the shade. I need a tan on these.
Sometimes when people say about holidays abroad and stuff, I know if you don't live in an area like this, you sort of take it for granted, but honestly, just look at this. It's amazing. And my camera doesn't do it justice at all. Really doesn't do it justice. Janine sitting on the beach, having fun. Janine hearing me talking about her, sitting on the beach, having fun. It's a shame this camera's not good at colour, or vibrant colour should I say, because the sea looks so blue. My friendly seagull. It does, so blue though.